Short-form content is exploding right now. YouTube Shorts alone gets over 50 billion daily views. And Instagram and TikTok are right there too, with algorithms specifically designed to push short, engaging content to wider audiences. But here's the challenge coming up with ideas. Writing scripts, designing visuals, and editing takes a lot of time. These are where AI tools step in. ChatGPT and Canva, for instance. Such services make the most cumbersome parts of content creation easy and can be automated. For example, you can brainstorm ideas and write scripts in seconds using ChatGPT, while Canva allows you to create beautiful, professional-looking videos in minutes with its simple design tools. This saves time you can now spend focusing on building a presence on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, rather than getting overwhelmed with your presence. Now, let's get into the 5 steps that will help you make the most of these AI tools to create higher quality, monetizable content. But before that, make sure you've subscribed to our channel. Step 1: Idea generation with ChatGPT. Trust me, this is often where most creators get hung up. You know how many times you sat there staring at a blank screen trying to figure out what your next video was? Never again do you have to face that with ChatGPT. Here's how to do it. Open ChatGPT and tell it to provide video ideas based on your niche. For instance, if you are into fitness, type something like, "Give me 10 trending video ideas for fitness YouTube Shorts," or suggest some viral challenges for Instagram Reels. ChatGPT will get you the list of ideas in your niche within seconds. For example, it will suggest ideas like quick 5-minute workout routines for newbies or 3 exercises to do at home without equipment, all of which are sure to be trending. And the beauty of AI is that it tracks audience trends, so you're always creating trending content. It is not a one-only platform. The ideas can be taken across YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. ChatGPT helps ensure that you are not only being up to date, but rather that your created content might go viral. Pro tip: ask ChatGPT for ideas based on trending topics in your niche. So if you are a tech nerd, you may ask, what are the latest tech trends for short-form content? This will keep your content fresh and on top of things. Step 2: Script writing with ChatGPT. Once you have your idea, it's time to turn it into a script. It's here that ChatGPT really proves useful once more. As far as a punchy short-form content, well, that is short and sweet. You get just 3 to 5 seconds to hook on the audience before they start scrolling. Use ChatGPT to write snappy scripts that drive home the point right to the audience. Here's how. For example, assume your video concept is quick home workouts. You would simply ask ChatGPT to write a 30-second script. Write a short script for a YouTube short on 3 easy home exercises. Then, ChatGPT would produce a concise, attention-grabbing script. For example, ChatGPT may provide you with something such as this: need a quick sweat session right out of your living room. Well, here are 3 exercises that'll take only 5 minutes but will pack a punch. First, bodyweight squats. Do 15 reps. Then high knees for 30 seconds. Plank position for 1 minute. Do this for 3 rounds and it is done. See how short, concise, and direct it is. Of course, you would probably want to tweak it a little to match up with your personal style or tone, but this saves so much time. You no longer have to brainstorm how to structure your content, it's done for you. Pro tip: you can also make ChatGPT transform the tone of the script. Like, do you need it more casual? Say, make this sound more conversational. Need it more professional? Same thing. Step 3: Creating visuals and designs with Canva. Now that we've got the script, it's time to bring everything to life visually. Enter Canva. Canva is a really powerful design tool, and guess what? You don't have to be a designer in order to use it. With the simplest drag and drop features, Canva can pretty easily help you get started in making professional-looking videos. To get started, do this. Canva has hundreds of templates specifically intended for short-form video platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. Whether it's a fitness video or a quick tutorial, there's a template for everything. And try to customize it with your branding. This is the only way you can make your content unique. Canva lets you add your branding to the template by using your favorite colors, fonts, logos, and so much more. It turns the same old templates into something so unique and elegant. Try to add text and images. Once you get your script ready, you can quickly add text overlays, stock footage, and animation according to the content. Even Canva has a whole library of free and paid assets for images, videos, and music to make the videos look richer. For example, if your workout video features home exercises, you could include a countdown timer or dynamic overlays with 10 reps or 30 seconds, and add background music to really keep the energy going. Pro tip: Canva even allows you to batch create content. So if you want to create several videos, you can easily duplicate a project, change the text, swap out some visuals, and voila, you've got another video done. Step 4: Editing and assembling the video. Now that you have your visuals all set up in Canva, it is now time to edit and assemble the video. Basic video editing tools available within Canva allow you to trim your videos. At times, you just feel like you want to trim the footage or just make things tighter, which becomes ridiculously easy with Canva's edit tool. You can add captions. Captions are a must for engagement, in particular on platforms like Instagram and TikTok, where usually people view videos without sound. Subtitles can really make all the difference for a video in terms of watch time and engagement rates. You can use transitions and effects. Canva will also allow you to add transitions between clips. You can do simple fades, quick cuts, or even animated text transitions to make sure your video flows smoothly. This involves polishing your video so it is professional looking. If your video isn't tight and visually interesting, then viewers just will scroll right past your video. Instead, you're ensuring your content will capture the viewer's attention from start to finish with the addition of captions, smooth transitions, and very clear structure. Step 5. Optimizing for monetization. Lastly, to be published and optimized for monetization. Each of the 3 platforms, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok, offers different perspectives towards monetization. Let's analyze one by one. YouTube Shorts. There exists a specific Shorts fund in YouTube Shorts that's compensated money to creators for the performance of their videos, meaning that the more views and engagement, the more you pay back. To monetize your Shorts, you should ensure that you use relevant trending hashtags and keywords, and also use catchy titles and thumbnails to get people interested. Posting in regularity, at least 3 to 5 times a week, keeps you active in YouTube's algorithm. Instagram Reels. Instagram has a Reels Play bonus program, by which creators are compensated based on the views from their Reels. Like YouTube, using trendy sounds and hashtags helps increase exposure. Instagram also encourages consistency, post frequently there as well. TikTok. Another is the Creator Fund, which makes money based on your views and engagement. Here are some platform-specific tips, especially if you also create on TikTok, although some of them can be applied everywhere. Use trending challenges, sounds and hashtags on TikTok to reach millions. Catch the trend, get more eyeballs to your content. Aside from the platforms, here are other revenue streams to diversify. Affiliate marketing. Place affiliate links into the description of your videos. For instance, products you are using or recommending. Brand deals. By this time you have enough of an audience, and thus you can now begin approaching brands for sponsored content. You will be posting daily, riding on trends, and engaging with your audience. This will have seen you build quite a library of monetizable videos that will still be keeping the money coming long after you have had your sleep. And there you go, a 5-step process that demonstrates exactly how to automate your video making processes using AI tools such as ChatGPT and Canva. Now, from brainstorming ideas to scripting, creating visuals, cutting together, and finishing off by optimizing for monetization, you now have a complete system that can get you to high-quality, monetizable content easily and quickly. If you liked this video, hit that little like button, subscribe for more pro tips on AI-driven content creation, and don't forget to hit that little notification bell so you get updates anytime we add something new or give out any new information. Alright, let's go make those videos. You now have everything you need to scale your content, grow your audience, and start making money. Let's get to work. Thanks for watching.